So,
Help me!
stop. Shut up. I don't care if you're dying. Anyway, so we not Jamie!
What is it? Oh no, I'm in a hole! I'm in a hole!
That's such a bad thing. Oh, well, you
No,
put yourself
let me out, let me out, let me out,
Jamie, be quiet! Anyway, so we are in Minecraft and we are together, but she's left me and...
I'm trying to find a mountain.
No, you're trying to find a hobbit hole, let's be honest here.
No.
Ah, what the I'm sorry. Explicit content ahead. We're very entertaining people. That spider that chased you is now chasing me. I mean, it's there, but you know.
Is it a pumpkin?
Well, crap. Why did I walk right in front of it? Because that was such a good idea.
Oh, wow, loads of pumpkins. Oh, no, not you again. I'm going to kill you with a pumpkin.
Jamie was slain by a zombie villager.
No. What made... Oh, no, we don't have keep inventory. Oh, no, we don't have keep inventory.
You had nothing in your inventory in the first place.
No, I hit a pumpkin. His name was Carl.
Oh, I thought you were going to say his name was Jack.
Okay, well, his name is Jack.
No, you named him Carl, so you can't change it now.
Okay. Well, I'm just gonna...
What's touching me? Bloody hell.
Touching you?
In various places.
I'm worried about your well-being.
Are you? Says the person that tried to kill me.
That was your fault.
How is that my fault? She tried to abuse me.
No, I didn't.
She said that if I hit her, she can hit me back. And the thing is, I was just trying to truce with her, and she's like, you can hit me.
Yeah, you were so...
She's got some sort of sadist part of her that's... Honestly, I just think that she's... You know, it's fine if you like pain for pleasure, but you know, you don't have to go to the extreme.
Don't listen. No, just no.
Should...
I'm just getting wood. I have nothing to do. I missed that arrow by a head.
By a head?
Oh gosh.
By
Oh
a head,
gosh.
Jamie?
No, another one. Why are they all wearing armor?
So they freaking feel like it. Where are you? Oh look, I found pumpkin.
I'm at the spawning area.
Well, I'm not gonna kill myself because of you. Did you drop sand by any chance?
Yeah, I did. I just hit a chicken, and then the chicken dropped an egg as I hit it. Ha, shame, you can't get me, can you?
Oh, well dying.
Oh, is that a zombie jockey? I never knew you could
I'm hiding behind a tree.
I'm hiding behind grass.
How dare you?
I get he sees for grass.
I get that it's like... Oh, wait, where are you? I'm in the area spawn point.
Oh, I am too-ish. That I'm getting
I'm not even touching the keys when I was walking. Glitch. Why can't I jump? That's weird.
Maybe I can throw the egg at it. Be gone!
Look! Oh.
I'm gonna kill it! Yeah! Sorry if I hit you! It's not dying! It's not dying! Oh, thank goodness. I got a bow.
Don't you dare hit me with that.
I'm going to. Jara, I wasn't gonna hit.
It was an accident. Told you my computer's lagging. Yeah, I'm serious. They saw it. Am I right? My computer was lagging.
Okay, well, I think this is.
You think anything's a good mountain? You see, you don't have flavor when it comes to mountain. You don't have taste.
Yeah, well, I don't eat dirt for a living.
That was an accident. I was meant to point at that tree right over there. No, please.
Bow down to me. I'm going to kill you someday.
Please, my lord. Please.
Yes.
What?
Jara, what are you doing?
Please, my lord. Please.
Okay.
This is for you, my lord.
Okay. Oh wait, no, I forget you drop your stuff. Oh.
I have your bow now.
Okay, whatever. Are you gonna shoot me or what?
Yeah.
Okay.
No,
Oh yeah, thanks for the wood. Oh, thanks for the arrow as well. You only picked up the bow.
I'm gonna throw it in the water.
Okay. I mean, it was a pretty good bow since it was like enchanted and stuff. No, it wasn't.
You know, you can't trick me, Jamie. It's in the water now.
Yes, I can.
And people
I made you teleport back to me because you thought your house was blowing up.
What? That is complete irrelevance, number one. And number two, we just started this world. What are you talking about? Or do you mean in the other world where you almost set me on fire?
I actually didn't have flint and steel, but I was trying to get you out of a tree so that I could talk through it with you. But no, you wanted to stay up there. You didn't want to interact with me. So, yeah.
Maybe if you stopped being a bloody glockenspiel.
I forgot about that one. Oh my gosh.
Glockenspiels.
I'm gonna see if there's a Kumamon.
Kumamon, yeah.
A Kumamon skin. Oh wait, no.
You won't work. It won't work.
I want a Kumamon skin.
You can't.
There's a Kosuke skin, but there's not a Kumamon skin.
Did you just say post-mortem skin?
No, I said Kosuke from I
okay.
Love You.
Oh. Everything is from I Love You at this point. She's influenced by I Love You. Not sponsored by Webtoon, by the way.
I just had to binge read it for like a week, so yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this was so
Look at this tree. I love this tree. You know, I love seeing these trees in Minecraft.
Well, the tree that you like, don't chop it down, and then we can keep it.
Yeah,
and that can be our tree of life.
Yeah.
Whatever. Oh my god.
You should teleport to me.
Teleport to you?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me back into Minecraft! Oh my gosh, what's happened?
Oh, I teleported myself. God damn it.
Oh my gosh, what's happening here? Ah, you... Gargle.
Come here!
What? I don't want to see your tree. Okay, yeah, I kind of do want to see your tree.
Come on, we're going to my tree.
What about the mountains?
No, forget the mountains. The tree is all we need.
But I want to make a hobbit hole.
Yeah, I didn't say we did. I'm just saying the tree will help us in the end, I think. Anyway, so let's just walk, Jamie.
What would you do if I hit the tree and killed it? Okay.
Yep, exactly.
This is a good mountain. We can make a
Forget the freaking mountains.
But they look like good mountains.
Yeah, well,
they're very bulbous.
Well, I have. Where did I get this arrow from? Who's shooting arrows at me? Is it you?
No, I gave you an arrow. Oh wow, I like this tree. Is this your tree?
No,
that's your tree.
No, shut up. It's not
Oh.
tree. It's up there.
Huh?
It's here.
Oh, that's your tree.
This one right here.
Okay, well I'm gonna kill all the other trees.
Yeah, this one is the one.
There must only be one tree that dominates this world.
It's about as tall as me now. I think it grew.
Yeah? Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice.
I'm breeding with the tree.
Was that as mating call?
Mating calls be like. Wait, hold on.
Oh my gosh.
I'm so bad.
Anyway, this is a good mountain. I like this mountain.
No, I don't. But I was just showing you my tree, so let's go.
Are we gonna take your tree?
No. It wasn't even my tree.
But
I don't know where
your
my
tree was lonely?
No, I don't know where my tree was. I lost it.
Can we put keep inventory on?
Uh,
I'm taking this sugar cane.
Yeah, we'll put it on inventory when you die.
Come on, Jara. What's your name?
Is it?
Jara.
Jara,
What are you doing?
walking, and
Don't use commands.
you need to catch up to me. You can't go anywhere else. You just said,
Well, where is you?
well, where did I go? See, this is why we...
I was getting sugar cane so that we could horse.
No, see, this is why you... This is why you die, because now find me. I'm just standing still. See that weird demented tree? Have you found me yet?
I mean, I see a tree that's kind of far away.
Turn around, you dumb!
There's so many dimensions.
Please, just turn around, Jamie, to the plains. Yeah, now walk. Oh my god, turn around. Turn that way a little bit. A little bit. Oh my god. There we go. Come
Okay.
on, let us walk. Such peacefulness. I just love walking in the middle. You don't.
Don't kill Barry. Don't kill Barry or I will kill you.
Will you now?
Yes. I found another bow.
I'm just looking at your screen, you know. I'm not actually looking at my screen. I'm relying on you to keep me alive. Oh my gosh, Jamie, I swear to God. Stop trying to hit me.
I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit you.
I'm gonna leave you behind.
Okay. Stop looking at my screen. It's weird.
Why? You got something on there that I shouldn't see? I sound like a
Yeah.
parent. Oh my god. Yeah, I know. All me and my 13 children.
Is this a good mountain? Do
No.
you like this
No, I
mountain?
don't.
But it's got a waterfall.
But it doesn't matter. I drown. I don't know how to swim, so that's just too bad.
Yes, mother. I suppose. How long are we going to be recording?
I mean,
Hello, Jeremy, the cow.
stop naming the animals.
No!
Your mother has fallen.
Mother? No! Oh, you found iron. Good job, mother.
Help me out, you dumb child.
Okay, let me just... Okay, hold up.
Help me!
Yes, I'm gonna help! Okay, give you some blocks. Here you go. Are you kidding me? I just gave you blocks.
Help me!
I gave you blocks! And you took the blocks.
Help me!
Oh, please. Jara! I'm salty at you.